Hello guys, I'm Julian and today in this video I show you how to fix freezing screen in Elden Ring new DLC. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything but helps me a lot. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below. First we go to the file location of the game, right click and open file location. And here we need to search Steam Emu. We open it with the notepad. And here we scroll down and in the ID name, normal you have 4 line. This 4 line from here. I selected this 4 line. And you need to add the 5th line. This line I selected now. I put a screenshot to see better what is here. After you do this, you can save and try the game if it fixed the error. If the error persists, you can try to bring the tree line from the bottom too. This tree line I selected now. This was all for today. I was Julian. I hope this video helps you. And if it helped you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Have a nice day.